Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to apply my LA Colors Dramatic Lash Adhesive, and then which I got from the Dollar Tree, and also I'm going to use the Dollar Tree eyelashes. So I did a Dollar Tree haul, and I picked up these two items, and I said I was gonna do a tutorial on that one. So today's video, that's what that will be on. So these are $1 from the Dollar Tree, and also this is the glue. So we are gonna put this test so that we can see if they do work or not, or so on and so forth. So yeah, so like I said, it's two little glue tubes in here. So it says this is in the color black, by the way, dries black, latex free, long wear. And yeah, so like I said, this is what that looks like again, and this is what. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna open that and take one out of here. And then open this lash. Oh, so this eyelash is here, basically comes with the glue, but I'm not gonna use the glue. So I wanted to use, should we use the glue that comes with it? Should we? No, we'll do it next time. No. Okay, I'm not gonna use the glue that actually came with this one. So I'm gonna use the glue that I planned to use, which is this one. So if you are applying your eyelashes, it's very simple. This one goes to this eye, and this one goes to this eye. So let's see. Okay, so this one comes with the, with the applicator, which is better, y'all, which is better. Okay, so we're gonna start with this eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply my glue. You don't want to apply too much. You just want to make sure the band has enough glue on the band, because sometimes the edges are the ones that tends to lift up quicker. Okay, so it looks like I have enough, so I'm going to bend it up. I'm going to stretch it up a little bit. So, okay. So, like I said, we're gonna do this eye first. I hope you can see. So this is what the eyelashes is looking like. That was a little, you know, didn't want to apply the way I wanted it to. Okay, so this is what the first one is looking like. Okay, so I'm going to do this one as well. Maybe I'll do a tutorial with the other glue that came in with this one. It feels good on the eye. So far on this eye, you know, it feels very, very good. So hopefully it will stay. So now I'm doing this eye, okay? I'm glad I'm showing you guys, you know, how I apply my lashes. Sometimes some people just think it's easy to just apply. Some days are easy and some days are not. So today doesn't look like that day is correct, but we're gonna make it work. So okay, so it's gonna get dry, and this is just so now what you could do is to hide the band, you could just use your eyeliner or your eyeliner or pencil, you know, just to block all that demarcation. And yeah, don't have an eyeliner, you can just use a pencil, a black pencil, and just, you know, and just go over it. So this is what I mean. Okay, y'all, so this is my $2 lashes that I apply, and yeah, so I'm ready to go to work. So I will show you guys how this basically holds up, the eyelashes and the glue holds up. So yeah, so yeah, it's not bad at all, you know. So but the only thing I really don't like is the white band, the white cast that is showing that's on the band. Maybe what I should have did was I should have used my my eyeliner and just kind of like darken it a little bit or whatsoever, but I didn't know this is how it's gonna look. But other than that, it's not bad at all. But you know, by playing with it, but it's not bad. It's not bad, and it's stuck, and it's really, look at this one and look at this one. But overall, for the $2, you can't really beat it. So yes guys, and I will come back and show you guys basically the whole, okay, how this everything held up for 8 hours work, and I'll come back and show you guys, okay? Hey guys, so I forgot to vlog my 8 hours at work. So I'm home now, so this is how my eyelashes are doing. As you can see, yeah, they pretty much stay on, you know, except for a little bit here that's lifting up right here. But once I do it like this, you will not notice. But like I said, I really don't like the band itself. I like the lashes itself. It's really lightweight, but it's just the band that came with it I really don't like. But overall, you can't beat it for $1. It stays on, and I love the glue. I'll be using that glue to actually use on my other eyelashes. But yeah guys, I just want to, you know, conclude this video. Yeah, I will try it. Yeah, it's only $1. Try for yourself and see. You know, you might do a better job than I did. So yeah, but like I said, if I was going to do this again, I would literally use my eyeliner on the band and then apply it and see if that actually works. But that is my conclusion. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.